Hello TV fam, and today it's Clarke's birthday! Yay!
Lord, thank you for making a new celebration for Clarke's second birthday. Please protect him as he grows, Lord. Bless us, O Lord, in this
The gift which you are about to receive from that bounty through Christ our Lord. Amen. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Clarke! Birthday! Umuya ka agad eh. Kumakain ka na palabok, ha? Ito yung ube leche plan na bagong recipe ni Chef Pides. Siya ang gumawa. So, tignan natin ang verdict ngayon. O ngayon, ito na. Sarap, lasang leche plan.
Pasado.
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 Very light. Masarap. Fed, okay. Okay. Ay, ano siya, parang, sabi ni Jeff, parang tiramisu. Imagine. Leche plan tiramisu. Yeah, ano siya, very fluffy. Marami siyang butas-butas. Pero masarap.
Clarke.
Masarap
Okay,
tayo.
let's sing!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Blow.
The next morning.
Good morning TV fam! And tignan nyo ang aming sasakyan. Oh my gosh, ang lalim. So matindi ang buhos ng snow kagabi, kaya natabunan si Tensa. Tignan nyo guys, oh, lubog na ang aking boots. Eto yung mag-ina namin. Having a snowball fight while cleaning the car. Look at your mom. So snow. Right, Clarke? Full of snow. Yes! Hey TV fam, we are here at Garden City Park
/ Winter Wonderland Park.
where there's a lot of snow. Hi. Are you having fun? Yeah? What?
Your camera waterproof.
Here's Calvin 2021 making a snow angel.
Not bad.
Throwing a baby on the snow. And then he's just there. Frozen. Are you stuck? You can go up? You can get up? Look at this, guys. So nice.
Sorry guys, can you do it again?
There's sun and there's a lot of like fresh snow on the ground. Okay, mag-ikot muna kami. We'll see you in a bit. We have little boy Eskimo here. Where are you going, buddy? You like it? Clarke enjoying the snow. What? What are you saying?
Please like, share, subscribe.
Look at this too.
Closer to the enemy.
Buhay. This is a war, not a fight. Okay guys, we're gonna end this video. So
Please like, share, and subscribe. Oh my god.
it's okay, it's okay. Okay, bye. Okay, we're gonna swing Clarke.